Boys and girls, how are you guys doing today? Welcome to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas here in this lovely studio slash kitchen and production, aka La Guara behind the camera. We'd like to welcome you to your class for a cocktail today. Here, well, the temperature is around 4 beers an hour. But this is a really good one. This is Green Flash. This is the West Coast IPA, one of the most delicious beers that you're going to be trying. If you haven't, please do me a favor. Check it out. It's actually absolutely outstanding. But today we're not going to be talking about beer. Today we're going to be talking about another one of the classics that, well, was created in New Orleans. So, well, this one, it was actually kind of like made in the 1919s. And it is a classic with the beautiful name. And this one is just dedicated to my really good friend, Scott Mahoney, that he believes that I don't know how to make a Vieux Carre. Please stay here with me and let me show you how to pour this guy. All right, so, ooh la la, Paris. Yeah, the Vieux Carre, or actually the proper translation is going to be the Old Square. This is actually a neighborhood in France, and basically just stands like for a old square. And I'm sorry, it is not in the 1990s, it was in the 1930s. But like I said, this was developed in New Orleans and involves a really, really good amount of alcohol. So it's gonna be equal amounts of rye. In this case, obviously, I mean, you can use Angel's Envy, you can use Bullet, you can use Templeton. I have the Whistle Pig. So I found this rye absolutely delicious. And you're gonna need also some cognac. Same thing with Antica Carpano, which, like I said, once you buy one of these guys, make sure that you're gonna have a list of the cocktails that we would like to prepare at home in order to make a proper use of it and not having it in your storage for like years. And one of the things that you're gonna have to buy is gonna be this humongous bottle of Benedictine that you're gonna use only 2 bar spoons. But let's leave the critic on the side and let's start making the cocktails. Let's pour some ice. We're gonna do 4 equal amounts of it, and it's gonna be 3/4 of an ounce of each one of them. You have the Whistle Pig. Your cognac, it doesn't really call if you want to need to use VSOP, BS, Martell, Remy Martin, Cordon Bleu. I don't think you will spend a really good amount of money for something that you're going to need just 3/4 of it. And on the Benedictine, you're going to use 2 bar spoons. And that'll be it. Shots beaters, 2.5 shots, and let's chill our cocktail. Kind of interesting, right? Production that we're not like. You gotta do it with class, very steady. Let's make sure that your cocktail is nicely chilled and all the ingredients, they mix perfectly fine with a little bit of that dilution. Ooh. All right. What a beautiful cocktail will be if you don't have a beautiful glass to present it. All right. Let's pour our cocktail. And for your garnish, either you can have a lemon peel or you're gonna be using a cherry. In this case, let's get a peel. A little pass on top. And there you have it, you guys. the beautiful classic with the beautiful name. The Vieux Carre for everybody. Cheers, everyone. Remember, don't drink and drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya, Mahoney. You see, I know how to make a Vieux Carre.